I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Imli chutney. First, gather about 100 grams of seedless tamarind. Place it in a bowl and pour 1 cup of hot water over it. Let the tamarind soak for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it softens the tamarind, making it much easier to extract the rich, flavorful pulp needed for your delicious chutney. Ensure it's fully submerged. Once softened, mash the tamarind thoroughly with your hands or a spoon to release all the pulp. Next, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing firmly to extract as much liquid and pulp as possible, discarding any remaining fibers. Now, prepare your spices. You'll need 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. These will give your chutney its signature flavor. In a saucepan, combine the tamarind pulp with the prepared spices. Add 1/2 cup of jaggery or brown sugar for sweetness. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and a pinch of regular salt to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Cook, stirring occasionally for about 15 minutes or until the chutney thickens to your desired consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon. Once your Imli chutney has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This is important for proper setting and flavor development. Transfer the cooled chutney to a clean, airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for several weeks, ready to enhance your favorite snacks and meals. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade delicious chutney.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.